Good morning everyone. Good morning.
Happy birthday to Tatay.
Ayun. Wala na mag-choice. Good morning. Good morning, Nico. Nico, good morning.
Huwag ka na ulang.
Nico, good morning.
Hindi ka na.
Nico, good morning.
Say good morning.
Nico.
Nico, say good morning.
Say good morning. Nico,
Pwede ito tanggalin para may space ako.
Sige ba natin? Lang sige mo.
Breakfast natin.
Sige pa. Pag gusto niya ito ha.
Yung coffee nandun sa ano?
Hey, ano na rin? What happened?
Meron din gatas.
Kasi what happened?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Okay. Bye na.
Handa ka na.
Video.
Hi, Mika!
Nico boy.
Nico, Nino, I love the names.
May Juji oh. Juji. Oh, ayo Kuya Juji. Wow. Nico.
Say hi. Nico, hi daw, hi. Hi. Hi.
Nico kasi.
Kasi. Hi. Hi, hi, hi.
Ano si mama, oh?
eat that. Don't eat that. Nico, look. Look at Ate's feet. Nico, put off. Look at Ate's feet.
Where's ate Bumbum's feet? Where?
Mommy, I got something in my shoulder.
Ano?
No, water. I want to stand up. I want to stand up.
Nika!
You try.
Ah!
You hold me, then you stand up. Diri siya.
No, kapag nandiyan na, patay na yan. Ha?
Ay, may ganun.
Tignan mo lang ito. Kasi... Nico! Nico boy! Nico boy! Nico! What? What?
I haven't even gone to the pool yet. I just showered. Nico, look, baby. Nico, look. Nico, look, baby. It's not cool. Stop it. Oh, easy to say. It's not cold. Nico, shut up.
Malamig. Si, parang si Debbie, oh.
It's deeper than last time.
Oh, deeper ngayon.
Ano ka na nga?
So deep. Yeah, that's it.
Alin ba? Towel?
Samuel!
Samuel
I'm trying to flip it.
Oh! Gawa mo. Oh.
Guys, I'm gonna try to float. I'm gonna try to float, guys. I'm gonna have to float it.
Kasama na pagkala po.
Kuya! Ay, Cassie!
Oh, mahal
Si
naman.
Cassie! That's her! Si Cassie!
Why?
She slashed me when I was floating.
Nico!
Can you guys move? Double! I'm gonna jump in there. No! No!
Paano?
Come on, guys, come on.
Paano?
Tatay na float ako. Let's go up here.
Float ka? Very good.
Kasi careful.
That bird is so sweet. Pwede ba doon?
Careful lang.
Get ready to jump!
Kaya rin, naka-diaper ka na naman.
Tatay!
Oh.
Panty lang.
Patin. Wala kang diaper. Yan. Relax. Tama na yun, relax
Actually,
lang.
somebody slashed me.
Careful lang, careful.
Kaya mo yung kaso, di ba tinulungan ng
Yan,
teacher
di
yun?
ba ganon?
Why is it so big?
Yan, hindi. Lulutak ka lang noon. Just lock yourself.